Ms. Garcia notices that her students are not participating actively in class discussions. She decides to implement a new discussion technique to encourage engagement and plans to assess its effectiveness. Which of the following would be the most appropriate action research question? Okay, this time we are asked for the question. Remember, she decides to implement a new discussion technique. Okay, what should be the action research question? What are the benefits of class discussions? How does the new discussion technique affect student participation? Letter C, what are students' opinions on various discussion techniques? Or letter D, how can teachers improve their questioning strategies? Okay, what is our choice? All right, ICB. And of course, that is tumpak. No? Magaling, magaling, magaling ang Team Thorndike.